Like, subscribe, and get notified.
So today, all over the world, everybody is celebrating World Schizophrenia Day. Today is 24th May, and every year we do something special. So today we thought, keeping the theme in mind of employment for people with schizophrenia, for people with psychological disabilities, we planned this little stall in Mapsa Market to showcase all of the things that have been made by people with schizophrenia. And it was amazing to see the kind of turnout that we had. खूप लोकांनी buy केले, आमका खूप बरेही दिसले. Our clients were also here, they also sold, they also got one-on-one interaction. So it did show how we can find a way to include these clients in everyday life, in the fact that they can also get a job. Because a lot of places, they have a disadvantage due to their symptoms, due to their concerns. They don't get a job or they lose their job very, very quickly. We also planned this specifically because we are going to start a new program at Cooch Mental Health Foundation, which is going to be more of a vocational setup. It is directed towards employment for people with schizophrenia or people with different types of psychological disabilities, and we hope to touch many, many, many lives, 100 people or so, and that's going to be starting shortly. To give you a little more brief on that, on 26th on Sunday, we are also going to have a program called Demystifying Schizophrenia, wherein we have a lot of panelists and speakers. They're going to debate on the topic also of employment for such individuals and the fact what are the strengths of employing such people as well. We call on all of the companies, anybody that is willing to hire such people and open their hand and their heart to such individuals to join us on that day. If you want any more details, just search for Cooch Goa on Instagram or Facebook. Our posters are there, you will get all the information there. Yeah. So schizophrenia is actually a psychological disability wherein a lot of different things are affected. Okay, it's what we call a thought disorder. The way that they think is affected. The way that they understand the world is affected. Sometimes they can see something that is not there. Or they can hear something that is not there. They may have complete lack of motivation. काय करपाक नका, घरात रावपाक जाय. नाल्यार they get bored very easily with their task. Sometimes they are lost in their thoughts. So these are the things that we suffer from. But with the right kind of treatment, with the right kind of therapy, with the right kind of medication, and with the right kind of nurturing, the right kind of environment, they do thrive. And it is in that kind of an environment that we have at Cooch in Sahodaya, in psychosocial rehabilitation, that they were able to make so many different things today. We even have bulimias that they have made. There was baking involved, there was art involved, there were so many different things involved. They were able to do it and we were able to sell it. We mainly want to tell them that anybody and everyone can work if they are given the right kind of opportunity, the right kind of environment and the right kind of inclusion. The more sensitive you are towards such people, the more they are likely to be productive and help society, become part of society, help society also, and also feel a sense of responsibility and independence. We hope to have a world that includes all of them, a more happier, inclusive world.
Watch on Herald TV.